Let's travel back to the 1940s. During the dark days of World War II, while most of the world was still using propeller aircraft, Germany was secretly building something that no one had ever seen before: a fighter jet that could fly faster than anything else in the sky. That jet was called the Messerschmitt Me-262. It was the first fighter jet in the world, and it changed the future of air combat forever. The Me-262 was designed by Messerschmitt, a German aircraft company, and powered by two turbojet engines called Jumo 004. These engines gave it an amazing top speed of around 870 km per hour, way faster than any Allied fighter plane at that time. It was not just fast, it was powerful too. The Me-262 had four deadly 30 cannons and could carry 24 rockets under its wings. It was used to destroy Allied bombers and fighters with shocking speed and power. But this fly beast had its problems. The jet engines were new technology, and they broke down often. It needed long runways to take off, and it was weak during landing. Allied pilots learned to attack it when it was just getting off the ground. Another strange twist: Hitler, the German leader, wanted it to be used as a bomber instead of a fighter. This decision delayed its use in the war and made it less effective in combat. By the time the Me-262 finally entered battle in 1944, it was already too late. Germany was losing the war, and they did not have enough parts or trained pilots. Only a few hundred of these jets overflew in combat. Still, the world had seen what was possible. After the war, countries like United States and Soviet Union captured the Me-262 and studied its design. It helped inspire the next generation of jet fighters like the F-86 Sabre and MiG-15. The price of Me-262 back then was around $300,000 to $400,000 at that time. Today, surviving jets are rare and worth millions. The Me-262 was more than just a plane. It was a revolution in the sky. It proved that the age of jet-powered flight had begun, and it shaped the future of air combat forever. Okay friend, this was the first fighter jet of the world. We will meet in our next video soon.